Hi children, welcome to the class. So in today's class we are going to see Term 3, Unit 1, Prose, the best policy. So see this picture children, I give the missing thing to the owner or to the police, do you? So this girl will give all the missing things to the owner or to the inform to the police. So she is asking, so what you will do? So first we'll see the meanings. Foothill, a low hill at the base of a mountain. So foothill means what? A low hill at the base of a mountain. மலையடிவாரம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, that is foothill. Next, throne, the chair of the ruler. So who is going to rule the chair? We will call throne. Nurture, care for and protect something while they grow. So while they we are caring, protecting to grow, that is meaning for nurture. Prison, a place where people who do not follow the law are locked up. Sirai, சிறைச்சாலைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, that is prison. Brass, a metal made by mixture of copper and zinc. So that is a metal which is made by a copper and zinc. So next, the lesson. The name of the lesson is the 7 seeds. What is the name of the lesson children? 7 seeds. Seeds, விதைகள். 7 seeds. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Aanaimalai. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's ruler. He was respected and revered by all. It has been 30 years under his rule now. One day, the aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. He decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir. But he knew that the adopted child must be honest. So long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Aanaimalai. Kingdom, a region ruled by the king. Arasachi. So there was a kingdom near foothills of Aanaimalai. மலையடிவாரத்தில், so the name of the foothill is Aanaimalai. The foothills, what is the name of the foothills children? மலையடிவாரத்தில் Aanaimalai. So the kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's ruler. So flourished, developed in a healthy way. Flourished means what? நல்ல வளமா செழிச்சு வளர்ந்துருக்கிறது அந்த நாடு. And arts, கலைகள், அதில் எல்லாமே சிறந்து விளங்குது அந்த நாடு. He was respected and revered by all. So the king was respected and revered. Revered also respected, same meaning only. Okay. The king was respected by all the people in the region. It has been 30 years under his rule now. So it has been 30 years. 30 years has been passed away. One day the aging king woke up worried. Aging means getting old. வயதாகிட்டே போகிறது. So he was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. So heir means வாரிசு இல்லை. அந்த கிங்டம், அந்த கிங்குக்கு வந்து வாரிசு இல்லை, குழந்தைகள் இல்லை. He decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir. So heir means what children? வாரிசு சொல்லுவோம். So he decided to adopt. Adopt means தத்தெடுக்கிறது. Legally will take and bring up. அவங்கள வளர்க்குறது, that is adopt. ஸோ அடாப்ட் அண்ட் ரைஸ் அ சைல்டு, அவங்கள வளர்த்து அவங்கள அடாப்ட் பண்ணி தத்தெடுத்து வளர்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, ஒரு குழந்தைய தத்தெடுத்து வளர்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the king has decided. But he knew that the adopted child must be honest. So in order to rule a king, in order to rule a region, a king must be very honest, isn't it? So there are the king has to have many qualities. One main quality will be honesty. So the king should be very honest. So the king decided to adopt a child, but he or she must be very honest. To find the child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. To find the child, to select a child from to the region, he held a competition. போட்டி ஒன்று நடத்துகிறார். Competition means போட்டி in his kingdom. So that was open to all. So anyone can participate in the competition. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. See how long it is going. The competition had many levels. There are many stages in the competition and spanned for nearly 6 months. Spanned means 6 மாத காலம். Spanned for nearly 6 months. நீண்டுட்டே அவ்வளோ காலத்துக்கு நீண்டுட்டே போகிறது. Spanned means நீட்டம். At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. So at the last round, how many of them are selected? 5 boys and 5 girls. So totally 10 children were selected to the last round. So there seemed little to separate them. Each of them was intelligent, strong and capable. But the king was very difficult to separate the children out of the 10. Why? Because each of them was very intelligent. நல்ல புத்தி கூர்மையாக இருந்தாங்க, அறிவாளியாக இருந்தாங்க, ஸ்ட்ராங்காக ரொம்ப பலமாக இருக்காங்க அண்ட் கேப்பபிள் திறமையானவங்களாக இருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஆல் த 10 children were very intelligent, strong and capable. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. So at last the king said, I have a last test for you all children. So there is only one test. Okay. So the one who passes this test will be the winner. So those who are going to pass this test will be the king to this region. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. So the king said, so the who is going to win? The winner will be the heir. அவர் தான் என்னுடைய அரசாட்சிக்கு வாரிசு. So throne means what? அரியணை. Throne means அரியணை. அவர் தான் இந்த அரியணைக்கு வாரிசாக வர முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the king said. He continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture. So the new leader must know how to grow plants. So the king continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture. So இந்த அரசு வந்து it depends எதை சார்ந்து இருக்கிறது? விவசாயம். Agriculture means விவசாயத்தை சார்ந்து இருக்கிறது. So the new leader, so who is going to win? The leader must know how to grow plants. Leader means தலைமை தாங்கிறது. So the leader must know how to grow plants also, how to take care and how to grow plants. That also that leader should know. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. So the king gave 7 seeds of wheat. Wheat means கோதுமை. Take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. So 7 seeds. Each children is giving 7 seeds. So வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு take them home, plant and nurture, protect, பாதுகாத்து வளர்த்து 6 weeks 6 வாரத்துக்கு வளர்க்க சொல்கிறாரு. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. So at the last week means 6th week, the king will decide who is going to nurture, who is going to take care that plant. That person will be the heir to the throne. So அவர் தான் இந்த அரசாணைக்கு வாரிசு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்கிறாரு. So that person who is going to win, no, that person only will be the heir to the throne. So that leader only will be வாரிசு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்கிறாரு. The children took their seats and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil and sowed their seeds. So see what the children are doing. The children took their seats and hurried home. So they were hurried. விரைந்து போகிறாங்க வீட்டுக்கு. So they all got a pot, prepared some soil and sowed their seeds. So they all got ready with a pot, தொட்டி செடி வளர்க்குறதுக்கு. Prepared some soil. So they also prepared some soil, மண், and sowed their seeds. Sowed means விதைத்தார்கள், விதைக்கிறது. Sowed means what? விதைக்கிறது. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. Anxious means very excited, very eager-ஆக இருக்காங்க. யார் அடுத்த கிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்குறதுக்கு ஆர்வமாக இருக்காங்க. See this picture, children. All the children, they are got one pot soil and they are growing the seeds. So one of the finalists was Annie. So in that among 10 children, one of the finalists, இறுதி போட்டியாளர் யார் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. See what happened to the Annie seeds? The days stretched into weeks. நாட்கள் கடந்து போக ஆரம்பிச்சது, வாரங்களாக மாறினது. But the seeds failed to sprout. The seeds did not sprout. Sprout means முளைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலை. Okay, it is as such. எப்படி இருந்ததோ அப்படியே தான் இருக்குது அந்த சீடு. It has not started to sprout. Annie didn't know what had gone wrong. So Annie can't understand what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. They were very much disappointed. மனமுடைந்து போகிறாங்க ஆனியும் அவருடைய பெற்றோர்களும். She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure and very dutifully watered it. See, they were selected the soil with care. Soil மண்ணை வந்து பார்த்து செலக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. Put the right manure, உரம். Manure means உரம். அதையும் நல்லா பார்த்து தான் போட்டாங்க. அண்ட் வெரி டியூட்டிஃபுல்லி வாட்டர்ட் இட். டியூட்டிஃபுல்லி கடமை உணர்ச்சியோட அதை டெய்லி பார்த்து காத்தாங்க. ஷி ஹட் ஈவன் ப்ரேட் ஓவர் இட் டே அண்ட் நைட். ஸோ ஷி வாஸ் ப்ரேயிங். ஓகே, டே அண்ட் நைட் ஷி ஹட் ப்ரேட். அண்ட் yet her seeds had not grown at all. But even then what happened? Her seeds didn't started to sprout. It is as such. Some more of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. So the days also stretched. The days also going. But Annie's seeds didn't started to sprout. What her friends did? Her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. So they advised her, go to the shop and get new seeds and plant. Then only the plant will grow. Then only the seeds will sprout. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? So friends are telling, no one can tell. That was the king gave seeds. Okay. Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. But Annie's parents, what they taught ma? They taught her the value of honesty. நேர்மையோட முக்கியத்துவம் அதை பற்றி அவளுக்கு டீச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. வேல்யூ ஆஃப் ஆனஸ்டி, நேர்மையோட முக்கியத்துவம். ஓகே, தே ரிமைண்டட் ஹர் தட் இஃப் த கிங் வாண்டட் தெம் டு பிளான்ட் ஜஸ்ட் எனி வீட் he would have asked them to get their seed. So Annie's parents, they said, reminded, if the king want to plant, they want to plant any wheat means, any plant means, he would ask them to go to the shop and buy a new seeds and grow. But the king did not decided like that. He just gave seed itself to the children to grow. So if you use anything different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. So if you use other than the king what he gave, it is dishonest. If you use another different seeds, okay, it will be dishonest to the king. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. So the parents are giving advice to the Annie. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. நீ இந்த அரசாட்சிக்கு தகுதியானவளா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. If so, let it be. Put it would be wrong to cheat the king. They told her. Annie agreed.